What's up, guys? We here in the airport. Monday. Word. Yo, let them know where we're going, bro.
We about to fly to Tampa and get some.
Word. Yeah, bro, we outside. Chat, look at my food, bro. These niggas try to throw out. That couldn't happen, bro. Jermaine. Check. Yeah, bro. But we here.
That turkey bacon?
As soon as we touch down, chat. As soon as we touch down, chat, I'll let y'all see what's up. But for now, we chilling, about to dive in. So yeah. 4 hours later, chat. Yo, low-key wondering what bro got in that small ass bag. Bro got one fit in that bag. Bro got one fit in that bag, I swear, bro. Cause what you, bro? Everybody else got this shit, bro. A backpack and a fucking carry-on. This fucking nigga only got this one shit on his back, bro, and it's not even.
Florida, you feel me?
W man's in the chat, bro. Yo, we found the car, chat. Rate the V. 1 out of 10.
This shit alright though.
1 out of 10, real quick.
Like 6. Yeah, man. Ready? Yeah. I'll tell you later. Yeah, I'm gonna find the car. That's crazy. Damn. You did that shit. Let me do it one more time. I'm gonna get you. You did that shit. W. I'm telling you. It's not his shit pretty good. I already did that shit.
Get in the video. Shout out your shit, bro.
Yo, what's going on? Back to the vlog. You feel me?
Mr. Ugly Guy.
Hey, go follow me on YouTube.
My brother.
Tonyo.nyc.
Damn, bro.
Please. You chop.
Sure, bro. Fuck with bro. YouTube.
No YouTube
But I ain't gonna lie.
yet, but I'm fine. I'm looking for a girl.
Nah, he ugly, bro. He ugly. But like, check out my Instagram. You feel me? JD_rock. You feel me?
Look at this nigga too.
It's the word, man. It's Big Keith. You heard? Find me on Keish Money. I make money. You heard? We outside.
Yo, follow me. You heard? GT Rock _. You heard?
Nigga ugly, bro. Don't follow that nigga.
Yo. Any girl I follow him? Nah, let me stop. You got
Yo.
Never mind.
Any girl that follow me, I'm the cutest thing in the world. You heard? You feel me? Big sexy, you heard?
Hey,
It's your boy Lemmy. Follow me on the gram. Lemmy.
yo, what's good with you, bro?
Yo, don't follow that nigga. That nigga top cheese.
No talk, bro.
Nah, it's okay. I'm done.
No, I wasn't laughing at you. What you laughing at? You're nervous, bro. So you look mad funny. Nah, talk, bro.
Nah.
Yeah, but yo, follow me on the gram at Lemmy. That's it.
We done.
W's in the chat, bro. Nah, but like though, see everything? Like, subscribe, comment down below, you feel me? We gonna be back with more shit later on, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, the gangsters gonna link up back, you feel me?
Word. Remember,
But don't, bro, tap in. You gotta tap in.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, we gonna be dropping some merch, you heard?
Heard? Yo, shout out your shit, bro.
Yo, sure is
My Instagram?
Sure that nigga too.
Hey, yo, you see this shit right now?
I dropped the dresser on it, bro. Don't worry
Yeah.
about that shit. Anyways, my Instagram is @IamJust_Justin. Behind me. And my YouTube Street EJ, I shoot car content.
Word.
Let me know.
Let me know.
That'll be on more, boy.
It started?
Yeah.
What's this place called again?
I have no idea.
Lagoon? Some Lagoon shit.
All I know is that this is Look at it, check the fuck up. It's okay, bro. You're not gonna prosper.
Oh, can you leave the camera? Oh, you have it. What's this?
Oh, badge.
But
Yeah?
He did.
You see the vibe chat? I'm waiting on this nigga to go get my shorts now.
Yo, look. Your hair is. Look, that's how you do it. Look. I don't know how to do it that way. Look. My boy would tell me to swim. Huh?
Hey, you ready over anyway?
D'Angelo, look. Right? It's on me. Let me see you try.
Hey.
Raise me. To the middle and back.
Yo, I'm gonna learn today. What?
Ready?
Wait.
Oh, from here?
Wait.
Nah, we can go from here. That's too hard.
Go. Alright, go. Yo, he's going. He can't stay on his feet out there. It's deep.
You wanna find out?
Yo, show Sam.
Oh, yeah, okay. I feel you. I don't know.
Which one are you?
You didn't make it, though.
Look though. He telling you, he said you can swim, but you can't swim.
Yo,
I can swim.
I'm a shark.
Yo, turn the camera.
Yo.
Look.
Since JD found out he's not so ugly on the camera, bro.
Yo, why you saying not so ugly? Y'all be doing this. What about after off the camera, nigga? Are you onto something, you know? Niggas, are you onto something, you know? Jenny, why you let this man play with you like that?
I'm telling you.
This morning, he cursed you off. Don't video me now. He's like, yo, turn the camera
Yeah,
on.
right. Yeah, right. Don't video.
Yeah.
This morning. Wait, I don't understand.
Nothing. Never mind.
Nah, what y'all was doing, bro?
Yo, camera. Check it.
Yo, bro, you see, y'all man up on fuckery, dog. Yo, back up, dog. Oh, look, come. Look, yo, how tall he is again? 5'6". By the time he hit 5 feet, he don't underneath the water already. You can't swim. No.
Bumbleclad. Yo, why did you turn to me for it? Why you turn to me for it? Turn to though.
Yo, one more. Let's go one more. Yo, careful.
Ha.
W Lagoon. W. We out.
I'm gonna prosper, bro. Look at the fit, bro. Nah, hold on. How I flip the camera now, bro? How I flip the camera? Yeah, I'm prospering tonight, bro. Look at the fit. Look at my dogs, bro. Hold on, look at the dogs.
Listen, it's only one rule. You see something, you say something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The guy said you're gonna prosper tonight. Big shot in the building. You heard? Niggas, not me. Wait, make sure you get this. Not me. Not us. Yeah, not us. I swim in that shit. You heard? I'm swimming. You heard?
Check the fit, cuz. Check the fit.
You already know. Show the drip. Yes, sir. Boy, my son's 30. Fuck you talking about? Everybody prospering, bro.
Bro, my phone fell. Fucked up, nothing is showing, bro. So here trying to get a replacement. What do you want?
The key to the car keep going like wow. Nigga, to having a car.
I be doing it on purpose, bro. I'm trying to get y'all niggas out.
Yeah, bro.
What, you mean that was spazzing out? W YouTube. Kinda happy now. This nigga fucked up my phone, bro. It's an Apple fixing. Get one. You know? Big baller. Love you,
Finish the plan first. It was an accident. You can
turn it on.
The first
You could mark that out.
Let me connect it to Wi-Fi to activate the eSIM.
It's not the right time right now.
But let me use it first. This shit is mad small, bro. Don't drop it, bro.
That shit about the same. It's about the same size.
What's this?
15 Pro.
I mean, this later. This the new one. 16
Yeah, someone grabbed it.
This was our last night chat, so we went to the club. We drove like 2 hours to go to Orlando. It was mad fun. Niggas got a section, but unfortunately we had to dip kind of early because I had my flight to catch back to NYC.